Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Emanis here, and I'm here with another video on BitDoctor AI. In my first video, I discussed everything concerning BitDoctor AI, also regarding the decentralized science, which of course the project is all about. So you can actually go and watch that video to get an overview of BitDoctor AI, and also if you have not joined BitDoctor AI, the link will be in the description of this video, and I will drop my referral code because you cannot join without a referral code. So kindly use my referral code. The link will be in the description of this video, of course. So that's just it. So let me just go straight. Before going forward, you can actually subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and of course join our WhatsApp community where we discuss everything airdrop. So firstly, BitDoctor AI has made a huge announcement, so I'm just trying to show you what the announcement is all about. So here is it. So mark your calendars. This is what they said: mark your calendars. The wait is almost over. The highly anticipated BitDoctor premium membership DID sale is officially launching on Friday, the 10th of on February 10th, 2025 by 12 p.m. UTC. So just 7 days left, but now it's up just about 4 days left. So 4 or 5 days left. So they said this isn't just a sale. So these are some of the benefits. So this isn't really just the benefit, and the price will start at 0.1 Solana. Let me just first show you something which will pinpoint the benefits of this DID. So firstly, they said the premium membership gives you a lot of access to exclusive perks and packed with rare bonuses, surprises, and all that. So it will actually multiply your airdrops earnings. So let me just show you. So here is one of the benefits of BitDoctor AI premiumship membership. Of course, so you become, you are not just an early adopter, you become a regional representative, and there's a couple of benefits. 2 times your airdrop. Of course, your airdrop allocation will be multiplied by 2, and that isn't what the concern is. As BitDoctor said, they are here to build utility. They are not just here for money grabber. So it's not basically about what you can actually just grab from it like right now. It's not for paper ants, it's for diamond ants, of course. So this project is actually about utility, and there are so many use cases. Of course, it will actually help you to scan your face and then give you a diagnostic result of your health to show you some certain things. If maybe you are diabetic, that one will be in the advanced health scanner. So of course, which is for and the NFT holders. The NFT is basically about 0.1, which is about $19. So if you have the funds, I would advise you buy 0.1 Solana is about $19 or $20, so thereabout. So if you have the fund, I would advise you buy. These are so a lot of benefits that are attached to this. So they just updated their site. So let me just go to their site and show you what is on there. So here is currently their site, driven by the Pen and the Desai ecosystem. That's what they wrote at the top. So the already working AI doctor can detect crucial vitals and multiple non-communicable diseases, so such as heart attack, diabetes, high blood pressure, and stroke at their early stages. So you can actually detect this by your face, because your blood vessels kind of react differently. Your face is kind of a concentration area, so they detect it by noticing the differences in how your face is positioned, how your blood vessels, or how blood is moving through your face. And so that's the reason why you need to stay in a bright area while doing the scan, so that you can actually get your face currently not bright in like other a strong bulb or light bulb or something, but under natural sunlight. So that's that's much better. So to mint to mint this, you actually need to check this place, mint your premium membership. So you click on that place right there, and it will take you to the page whereby the minting is taking place. So BitDoctor AI, the community and the team is actually hardworking. That's one of the reasons why I usually praise this project in my community. I praise this project because they are doing something. They are not just to grab money and run away, and they don't want people who are here also just to grab the money and run away. They want long-term membership, and this project has a huge utility. As I said, their CEO Asha said, one of the co-founders, of course, Asha, he said they are not here for money grabbers, and they are here to build utility to stay. They are not also here to replace the traditional healthcare system, but they are here to actually build something that is solid. So this is the floor price. This will be the floor price. As you can see, this will be the floor price. It will start at 0.1 Solana, and then it will gradually grow as people are actually buying. So is actually CB proof and ensures that one user mints only one NFT. So that's basically what it's all about. So you can see these are the perks and the benefits of actually doing this. It will give you advanced AI, 2x airdrop, insurance and medical coverage, and double your mining rates, of course. So it will start at 0.1 Solana, like I said. So for those that are wondering what the first scan issue, so about the first scan issue, firstly, to actually register for BitDoctor AI, you have to go to Play Store, click on Play Store, or you can, if you're using an iPhone, you can use the App Store. So then you search for BitDoctor AI, BitDoctor AI, BitDoctor AI, just as it is right here. You search for it and then you install. So as you can see, the review here is quite poor because I don't know, it's not because the app is scam or anything, but mostly people are complaining of the first scan issue. So that is what I'm trying to address here. So the first scan issue, this is what this person said: I had a very bad experience with your scanner. I can't pass a successful scan. And there is a lot of, this other person said, bad information. The app is a bad information, is in bad formation. I downloaded it up to a week and only scan one time. So all these are kind of very misleading because it gives you an impression that the app is scam. Meanwhile, it isn't. Maybe they are the ones doing it wrong, or maybe their phone doesn't have access to some of these things, because it depends on the version of phone that you're using. A couple of persons don't have issue with BitDoctor AI scanning system. So I will just download the app and show you what I'm talking about. So I've downloaded the app. So once you do this, you can basically just click on, you have to let it accept, allow it to access your camera and everything. So that's just the first step. So basically that's this first step. So if you're a new user, what you have to do now is click on register. Once you click on register, they will tell you whether you want to use your email or Google. If you want to use Google, you can just select Google here and then use your Google account. But if you want to use an email, basically this is what you do. Let me just say vince@gmail.com. So once you do that, you click on next, and then an OTP will be sent to your phone. So once the OTP is sent, you enter, and after you must have done that, you enter the OTP. The next thing that they will ask you is to enter your referral code. Enter this code ARROW2WIROM1. So enter this referral code right here, which of course will give you a bonus, of course, and connect your X account. Once you do that, you are good to go. So since I have an account already, I'm going to log in. So as you can see, I have successfully logged in. To scan your face, you basically have to scroll down and go to this place, then scan your face, connect your X account, and share all these news to get these points. You get about 150 points for this, 100 points, and then 150 points. That's live tokens for this. So if you scan your face consistently for 7 days, you get 250 live tokens for free consistently. So as you can see, I've already scanned for today, and my general health is showing 62, which is not so bad, but it's not so critical, but it's kind of low. Of course, I've been sick, and that's kind of what this means. So when you scan, you get this chakra. Of course, if you get this chakra consistently for 300 times, you get a boost in your allocation. So basically that's all. So here is my referral code. As you can see, use this referral code right here to register to get a bonus to start. This project will be listing in I think by first quarter of this year, which is probably to be by next month, which is March. This project didn't start very long, so you can actually catch up if you just continuously scan your face, and you can participate also in the minting of the NFT. And of course, that's very good. So if you want to scan your face, you just click on the start. They said I've already completed it, so that's just basically what you do every day. You can do it twice a day if you want to. It's still free. As you can see, this countdown, this thing right here, there is counting down. Once it counts out to 0, you can scan again. So that's just it. That's the benefit. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Of course, join our WhatsApp community. Links will be in the description of this video. See you on another video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.